Ticker symbol DRUG is up another 150% today after we just saw it run 1500%. Now it is way too dangerous to chase this in my opinion, but I'm going to give you some squeeze plays. That way we can make some money off of these. First up, I want to give a shout out to Wolf of My Street for the first squeeze play, and that is OKLO, representing a whopping 12.91% short interest, almost 13%, up 23% on the day, was up higher, trading at $20.60 or so, passing its all-time highs. Lots of volume coming in on this play, and it could have potential to go higher and higher, especially seeing that there are no resistance levels out here. If we see another day of squeezing or so, I'd watch 27 bucks on OKLO. Now I want to give you two more squeeze plays that I found, obviously with some help from the community. But before I give you those plays, I want to cover AMC and GameStop because that's probably what you're mainly here for. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't yet. Watch the video all the way through so you guys don't have to watch another upload here on YouTube. AMC is currently trading at $4.29, up 1.6% on the day. And this is an important move. Yes, it's a small move, but this is what we've been talking about. We wanted to make sure AMC got a break up and not downwards. Now, this isn't completely taking us out of the woods just yet, seeing that we did not get a close above $4.35, although that could happen today, seeing we are only 6 cents away. Based on the pattern that we have drawn out, AMC was going to play out this exact format, but if inverse cycle continued to play out, you would have saw a breakdown and AMC start moving lower. However, the fact that you're breaking out higher, again, not confirmation just yet, shows that AMC may just play out a normal cycle, bringing us higher and higher and higher. I don't know how high exactly. Obviously, they don't want us to get to $5.66 because of what Adam Aron said, but my main excitement would come when AMC closes above $6.30, and we have a ways to go to get there. As far as GameStop goes, we called it out perfectly to a T as well. Nothing is invalidated just yet. If you've been watching this entire week, the videos have played out perfectly. Came up, this chop trade, and flush on Friday. That's exactly what we said. Although we had a price target of around $20.60 today, we did not quite get there, meaning we might get there on Monday before getting that rip and break out of this flag past 25, potentially all the way up to 29 and past 29. And depending on how high we go, we can break recent highs, okay? Overall, this is what we're watching on GameStop and AMC. The charts are still playing out perfectly. There is nothing changed here at all. The one complaint I do have is if you're playing options, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. Stop buying these close expirations. This is all in my opinion. I don't think it's a good idea because 304,042 contracts of premium are handed over to Citadel, handed over to Virtu, and these other market makers, and we don't like them, right? Overall, we are still winning on the options chain, 36,000 calls compared to 10,000 puts expiring in the money. So you could see a little bit of gamma push happening, but my best guess is watching for short exempts when it gets reported for today's is likely going to be higher than the 27K, probably going to be higher than the 50K. I'd estimate short exempts are between 60 and 90K just for today alone. That way they can flush it down a little bit. Okay, the next squeeze play that you want to keep your eye on is CYCC, up 38% on the day. Who knows how high this thing can go, but volume has barely picked up yet, and we're already up 37%. If volume kicks in like it did back here in April, then you could see a nasty move higher on this stock, and it had history of being much more pricey than what it's trading at now, $1.38. It used to be way up there in price, okay? Next one is something someone has been calling out on the YouTube comments, so shout out to you. WOLF, Wolf Speed, currently flat on the day, trading at $15.99, but you guys can see that it came from $7.50 all the way up to almost 18 bucks. And who's to say this one is done just yet? The last time it had a strong move up, this gap up right here, was the day it had the most volume. Since then, volume has been fading. You're seeing volume fade and the stock still hold up here. There's a likelihood you could potentially get a second move. Now, obviously, this is very risky. I'd say you could get clapped holding the bags in about a day or two when this gap fills back down to about $11.45. And at that point, that would not be good. Again, these are just something to keep your eye on. CYCC, Wolf, and OKLO, obviously extremely high risk, high reward scenarios. I really want to talk about Dogecoin because this thing is breaking out, up 8% on the day, breaking past 14 cents First of all, closing above 13 cents is a crucial level for Dogecoin. We've talked about that in the past, and that's the only reason I'm finally bringing it up in today's video. It has been scaling higher and higher, finally breaking above that level, and it looks as if today we're going to close above that. The next level you want to watch is high 15, basically 16 cents, 19 cents, and then 22 cents ultimately for Dogecoin. But like I said, the way the market is, the way Bitcoin is, we are likely to enter an altcoin season, and you're going to see Dogecoin do extremely well, Bonk, Shiba, Ethereum Classic, XRP, so on and so forth, right? This is all in my opinion, but I'm hyped here. Let me know if you own any Doge bags. I think right now we're about to make some money over the winter, which is also going to bring us into the main one, Bitcoin, 68,860, up 2%. We are finally pressing up against that resistance at 69K that I have been excitedly waiting for, because however we react at this level is going to decipher if Bitcoin's going to get a mass rejection or finally hit all-time highs. And I'm extremely biased that we are going to hit all-time highs. This is the strongest we have traded outside of this descending parallel channel. And as of right now, it's just indicating that we're going to break all-time highs and get past 73K, into the 74s, into potentially the 80s, right? Overall, I'm watching Bitcoin a month out to be testing 78 to 80 grand and see how it reacts. That's ultimately what I'm watching for Bitcoin, and I think it's going to happen. You could even see 82 to 85K around election time, so that's something to note as well. Before we get into the SPY, since we're on talks with Bitcoin, BlackRock is in talks with global crypto exchanges, including Binance, to use BUIDL token as futures collateral. Now, we don't like this. We don't like any moves they're making. They are a monopoly, and they are also facing 54 counts of securities violations. They are not good guys. I even dropped a BlackRock video before that I'm surprised stayed up on YouTube. Last but not least, Dubai now accepts Bitcoin and crypto for real estate purchases, which is also good for Bitcoin. Now, S&P 500 up 0.48% on the day, trading at 585.15, breaking out of this flat top. It is testing a breakout of this flat top, and this is exactly what you want to see. If the SPY closes above this level at 585.15, this is extremely bullish. Like I said, I'm still bullish on the market to continue to scale higher. There's really not much to say here. It looks good, and it's probably going to continue to play out good. Netflix just reported earnings, and it's up 10% currently. Got a nasty gap up higher. Shout out Netflix, but personally, I'm not jumping into this one. Let me know if you played Netflix in the comments down below. I just wanted to bring it up really quick. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Make sure to come join the Discord where I post my trades as soon as I enter them. You guys can request videos. We talk stocks and crypto with the most amazing people all day long. Come become financially free. Level yourself up. I only charge a coffee a month, guys. It's not like 10 or 15 bucks like these other Discords. Literally $5. So get in the Discord. Third link under the video right here. And if you want up to 15 free stocks that'll likely pay for Discord and a $30 cash coupon, press that second link, download Moomoo, and open an account. Once you do that, it takes 2 minutes and deposit into your account even $1. You will start earning benefits from there. It's hooking you up. It's hooking me up courtesy of Moomoo. And they keep your money insured, give you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more as a retail trader. So there's really no reason not to be in their platform and also not to get free stocks through my link. So again, open an account and deposit into your account. Lastly, obviously, my custom indicators right here. If you don't have it yet, go get it. It's 2 weeks for free. There's no downside. You can completely cancel it, I promise you, but I only do 2 weeks because I think that you will like it. And once the 2 weeks are up, you will realize, damn, that indicator was extremely helpful. And it paid for the indicator probably off of 1 to 2 trades depending on your account size. So go get that, add it to your TradingView charts, and make sure to go subscribe to my second channel right here, Lottery Vlogs. Nothing is up yet, but you're going to want to be subscribed with post notifications on when something does come up on there. I'm getting videos ready for you guys, and I'm excited to bring them to your attention. That is it. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.